So what's up, my people? It's your boys Wiking here once again with another update. So today's video is about this particular project called Compad. Compad is a project that, let me say, it imitated core mining in Satoshi app. So their app interface is just like Satoshi app, and they made a tweet on their Twitter handle some days ago. It says, long awaited moment is finally here. Enjoy improved functionality, sweet and seamless airdrop features. The addition of a decentralized wallet, users will receive notification to update their app compound official. So they made a tweet. This is their first tweet about their airdrop actually. So this is to notify people that they have started doing their airdrop. So today's video we're gonna talk about this particular airdrop and how to participate in it. But before we continue, hey, my name is King and this is ZBK Crypto. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome to ZBK Crypto. Let me just use this a little time to do this little intro. This is where I share updates about new projects and also maybe sometimes USDT updates if I got one. But nowadays I make videos on airdrops, especially airdrops that are legit. I don't make videos on things that are going to waste your time or going to scam you along the way. No, I make videos on airdrop that are verified and I've seen the reason why they are legit. So what you have to do is to subscribe to the channel like this if this kind of content, if you like this kind of videos, this kind of airdrop videos, and then try your best to turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop update like this. So you subscribing to my channel is actually making me a friend on YouTube, so that means YouTube can be recommending my videos to you, and then turning on the bell icon is that you get notification whenever I drop any update. So next thing I would like you to do is to drop your like on each video that you got value from. I always drop value on my videos, so what I would like you to do is to drop a like on each one of my video you got value from. I would love you to drop a like. It motivates me to do more, to make more research, and try your best now to do the last but not the least, which is commenting on my video, telling me what you think or telling me how you feel or asking me any question, because the comment section is where I actually communicate with my viewers. So with this I said, let's dive into the main video of the day, but please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. So the next thing you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video to actually join my WhatsApp channel. This is a brand new channel that I created apart from my group and my Telegram channel, because Telegram I'm having issue with Telegram, so I migrated to WhatsApp. So this is a brand new channel that I created on WhatsApp few days ago, should I call it almost 2 weeks ago. So I created it, and the reason why I created this channel is so that the people that join the channel new, the people that are going to join my community new, are also going to see the old updates which I've been posting there, instead of the WhatsApp group where if you join you're not going to get an old message. No, with this channel you can actually go get old message. So I will kind of advise you guys to join my WhatsApp channel by just subscribing to the channel or joining to the channel. Anyone that's WhatsApp asks you, just join it and let's grow the channel together. So what you have to do is, once you have joined the channel, click on this particular place that says this particular link on this particular post. Don't worry, once you follow the link in the screen of this video, it's going to take you directly to this particular post. So click on it and then sign up with the app with your email address and your first name, second name, and then password, and then impute this referral code. You need to impute this referral code so as to join my team. So once you're done with it, your account is just going to look like this. So as you can see, they gave you a sign-up bonus of 100,000 hash. Once you use my referral code, they're going to give you 100,000 hash for mining rate. So what you have to do now is to click, once you're done signing up and every other thing, you're going to click on this particular place that says claim, and it's going to load up a bit and it's going to show you that your airdrop have started. So now my airdrop have started, and it says in the app that my airdrop will be due for claim after 12 hours. So there's a countdown already there. So once the countdown is done, the airdrop is going to be sent to my account. So as you can see, I have 5 com over here. So I have, look at the balance over here, 5 com, and they actually gave us a USDT rate of it. So I think they said the 5 pieces of the com, which is the initial coin of the project, is worth 25 cents as for now. So they're also giving us the market rate, current market rate now. So this is a new project. They are going to be doing more updates in the app for now. So the benefit of you watching this video today now is that you actually know you're actually one of the first people to start earning this particular project. And that is one of the big reasons you have to join our WhatsApp group, and also drop a like in this video, because I actually shared you a very good update that is going to help you make something in the early future. So for now, there's no much update in it. You can join their social media handles for you to get updated there. Also, you can also click on this particular place that says boost rate for you to get 25% of whatever your downliners make. That is if you can actually invite people. But if you don't know how to invite, it's still safe. What you have to do is to join early and try your best to participate and claim your airdrop whenever you have an airdrop on your account. So you can navigate to the apps and know other things about the apps, just like your accounts, your airdrop, your wallet, and other things that follows it. So as for now, we're actually mining it. We are new, and this is me just activating my mining in the project. So I hope I've given you guys a very valuable information on this, and if this is the truth and this is the case, try your best to drop a like. I really need it. Try your best to drop a like on the video. Drop a like and share this video to any of your friends in case they don't know anything about it and how to start it. Share it to your friends and let them use your own referral code, but try your best to share it to your friends. Let them see how it works. Then join my WhatsApp channel, as I said before, for more updates like this. Before even coming to YouTube, I drop updates on my WhatsApp channel even before coming to YouTube. So that is the reason why you have to join my WhatsApp channel there. And I think I've said much in this video. I hope you guys go over from it. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and join my WhatsApp channel. And see you guys on my next video. Remain profitable and remain peaceful. Bye.